The conversations that we've had with county and township assessors who have solar facilities in their jurisdiction have not identified any trends of homes directly adjacent to the solar facility and that they could attribute to the solar facility itself. Several assessors actually have conducted their own independent analysis. They want to make sure that they're not just missing something perhaps, and the county assessor in Chicago County, Minnesota, home of the North Star Solar Facility, they conducted their own independent analysis to make sure that they were capturing the trends in sale prices. And not only did they find that there was no negative impact, they also found that the homes were appreciating at the same rate as other homes in their community.